ആഗോളമേനവായ പരമപുരുഷായ സർവദേവതാ വശീധരായ സർവാരിഷ്ടവിനാശനായ സർവദുർമന്ത്രഛേദനായ ത്രൈലോക്യം വശമാനായ സ്വാഹ. ആഗോളമേനവ സംഗമം, highest 3 syllabus. I feel spiritual education is education. That confers the process of evolution systematically. Then yogic education is the best education for me brand souls to get awakened in tune with cosmic realities. Religious education doesn't give that type of salvation, liberation, then it cannot be considered as education at all. Spiritual education requires the spiritual quest. UNIQUEST leading space talks about that type of questfulness to get awakened through the cosmic realities of human species to embark on a new millennium. So there is meaning for spiritual education in this particular period because no schools or colleges or universities grant that type of education of spirituality. All those who are descended to this planet only can think about imparting spiritual education in this particular period, especially that there is meaning for global Menons endeavor to impart that type of Nijaraja yogic education. Education is evolution, evolution is education. Yay. If religions are not competent enough to bring any savior to save human species, then religions have deviated from spirituality. If castes are not able to produce any spiritual conscious superman, that has also failed in teaching that type of education. If organizations are also not competent enough to produce great spiritual masters who can guide, guard, protect human species and talk about the process of evolution, that also is to be seen through the angle of confusions. So I feel spiritual education is a big thing for those who have arrived in this planet. The Nijas path, Nijas is the horse name of global Menons, impart that type of spiritual knowledge, yogic knowledge to real questful souls, then that itself is the soul's gathering. Imparting and imbibing, not teaching or learning. So there is meaning for me brand souls to embark on a new millennium through Nijaraja yogic life. Straight? Then I feel all those who are celebrating a Christmas, if they are expecting someone, it is not a bad sign. But if many are celebrating Christmas with the same past syllabus with lots of alcohol or various other things connected with enjoyment or entertainment without having the quest for spirituality, then it is a discriminate or a mistake. So, let the new generation think about the new waves of celebration through vegetarian club, vegetarian Christmas. Then that is a sign of maturity to feel the presence of one's own divine nature and spiritual culture that will enhance any type of celebration, loving the entire human species to feel the love of God, love of super consciousness. That Global Menons Association and Menons Souls are competent enough to take the message of love, message of truth, along with the powerful manifestation techniques. Straight? Left you all. Few words, Bindasto, only for MESSOULS who are going to accept me unconditionally. To feel my presence and your presence, then that itself is the straighteousness to have a new styles in spirituality. Luxurious and royal. Religion of yogic love. Straight? Messengers of love.